What if I told you that everything you desire, wealth, love, success, is already yours, waiting for you to claim it? Neville Goddard's teachings reveal the hidden power of your mind and how asking the universe in the right way can turn your dreams into reality. Stay with me. Asking the universe is not about mere words or wishful thinking. It is about understanding the principles that govern reality. Every thought, every assumption, and every emotion you entertain is a request to the universe, shaping the reality you experience. When you ask, you must ask with certainty, not from a place of desperation or doubt. Desperation implies lack, and the universe reflects back exactly what you project. To receive, you must align with the feeling of already having what you desire. This is why Neville Goddard emphasized the power of imagination. Your mind is the creative force that shapes your world, and whatever you accept as true within your imagination will materialize in your life. Imagination is the mechanism by which desires are transformed into reality. The subconscious mind does not distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. When you vividly picture your desired reality and experience the emotions that accompany it, you impress this new reality upon your subconscious. The moment your subconscious accepts it as truth, your external world begins to rearrange itself accordingly. This is why Goddard taught the technique of living in the end. Instead of waiting for your desires to manifest, you assume they already have. You think, feel, and act as if your wish is already fulfilled, because from a universal perspective it is. The future you desire already exists. Your job is to align with it. To align with your desired reality, specificity is key. A vague request yields vague results. If you want financial abundance, you must clearly define what that means to you. Is it a specific income, a dream job, a lifestyle of freedom? The clearer your vision, the more precise the manifestation. When your mind is scattered, sending mixed signals, the universe cannot respond effectively. Clarity refines your energy, making it easier for the universe to bring your desires into form. The best way to reinforce clarity is to create a mental scene that implies the fulfillment of your wish. See yourself living in that reality, engaging with it naturally. Feel the textures, hear the sounds, experience the emotions as if you are already there. The richer the sensory details, the stronger the impression on your subconscious. Emotion is the catalyst that accelerates manifestation. Without emotion, visualization is lifeless. You must feel as though your desire is already realized. If you seek love, feel the warmth and security of being with your ideal partner. If you seek wealth, feel the freedom and confidence that comes with financial abundance. Emotions amplify the creative process by signaling to the universe that your desire is real. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions for manifestation. When you feel grateful for something, you affirm its presence in your life. Even before your desire physically manifests, express gratitude as if it already has. This act of faith strengthens your belief and solidifies your alignment with the frequency of your wish. Faith is the foundation of all successful manifestations. Doubt is the enemy of creation, and the moment you entertain it, you weaken your request. Neville Goddard emphasized that faith is not passive. It is an active knowing that what you have asked for is already yours. Just as a gardener does not doubt that a seed will grow, you must not doubt that your desires are taking shape. The moment you plant the seed of a new reality in your imagination, trust that it is growing beneath the surface. If you continuously check for evidence, you demonstrate disbelief, which delays the manifestation process. Faith requires patience, persistence, and unwavering belief in the unseen. Detachment is another critical aspect of manifestation. While desire is necessary, attachment creates resistance. When you are overly fixated on the how and when, you block the natural flow of universal intelligence. You must let go and trust that the universe will orchestrate events in the perfect way and at the perfect time. Detachment does not mean indifference, it means confidence. You set your intention, feel its fulfillment, and then release it, knowing it is done. The paradox of manifestation is that the less you chase, the more you attract. True manifestation occurs when you no longer feel the need to force things into existence. Repeating your request strengthens your belief and keeps your subconscious aligned with your desire. Repetition is how the mind learns, and the more you affirm your new reality, the more natural it becomes. Affirmations are a powerful tool for reinforcing manifestation. Statements such as, "I am abundant, I am loved, and I am successful," condition your mind to accept these truths. The key is to say them with conviction, not as empty words, but as declarations of reality. The more you speak and think in alignment with your desires, the faster they materialize. Obstacles are inevitable, but they are not signs of failure. They are tests of faith and opportunities for growth. Often, challenges arise as a way of clearing old limiting beliefs that no longer serve you. If you face financial hardship while manifesting abundance, it may be because you still hold subconscious fears around money. If relationships seem to fall apart while manifesting love, it may be because those relationships do not align with your true desire. Instead of resisting obstacles, see them as confirmations that transformation is occurring. When old structures break down, it is a sign that new ones are forming. Doubt is the greatest obstacle to manifestation. It sneaks in when external circumstances seem unchanged, making you question whether your efforts are working. But the truth is, reality shifts first on an unseen level before it becomes visible. The moment you allow doubt to take hold, you undo your progress. The best way to combat doubt is to immerse yourself in your desired state. Whenever skepticism arises, return to your visualization, reaffirm your belief, and reignite your emotions. The more consistently you do this, the less power doubt will have over you. The people around you can also influence your manifestations. Surround yourself with those who uplift and encourage you. Negative energy is contagious, and if you spend time with people who constantly reinforce limitations, it will affect your mindset. Neville Goddard spoke of the importance of selective listening. Do not entertain conversations that contradict your beliefs about what is possible. Protect your mental space and only engage with thoughts and ideas that support your vision. Action is a natural extension of belief. When you truly believe in your manifestation, you will be inspired to take steps toward it. These actions will feel effortless, guided by intuition rather than force. Inspired action is different from struggle. It flows naturally and aligns perfectly with your goal. You do not need to control every detail. You simply need to move in the direction of your desire with confidence. If an opportunity arises that aligns with your vision, seize it. If an idea comes to mind, act on it. The universe works through you, and action is often the bridge between the unseen and the seen. Giving and receiving are two sides of the same coin. To receive abundance, you must also give. This does not mean giving away all your resources, but rather embodying the energy of abundance. Generosity signals to the universe that you trust in its infinite supply. When you give with an open heart, you create a flow of energy that returns to you in greater measure. The more you embody abundance, the more you attract it. Persistence is what separates those who manifest effortlessly from those who struggle. It is not enough to ask once and then forget. You must maintain the energy of your desire until it becomes reality. This requires daily practice, visualization, affirmations, gratitude, and unwavering faith. Manifestation is a skill, and like any skill, it strengthens with repetition. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Reality is malleable, and you are the architect of your experience. Your assumptions, beliefs, and emotions shape the world around you. What you focus on expands, what you assume becomes truth, and what you persist in believing eventually manifests. The universe is always responding to you, reflecting back exactly what you hold in your mind and heart. There is no external force deciding your fate, only your own consciousness shaping your destiny. The moment you fully grasp this truth, you step into your power. There are no limits except those you impose upon yourself. Whatever you desire is already within your reach, waiting for you to claim it. The only question is, will you dare to believe it?